Hello guys, you're welcome once more to MEPH, your ultimate YouTube channel where we solve problems of math. You can feel free to go through the channel. There are lots and lots of exciting videos out there for you to watch. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and share the link of the channel to somebody that is going to be of help to. Alright, so today we have a question on the board on what? Permutation. The question says find the number of ways that the letters of the word excellence can be arranged. Now, how did I know that it is permutation? So it has to do with arrangement of what the word, what? Excellence. Okay? So when you have such problems in the exam, it has to do with what? Permutation. Permutation simply means arrangement. Okay? So our solution to this problem, okay, the first you want to know is the total number of what letters. Okay? So let's count it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what? 10. Alright, so since we have 10 letters, we are going to say 10 what? Factorial. Alright, now the next thing is we have to observe if certain letters are repeated. The question is, are they repeated? It is yes. Okay, for instance, the letter E is repeated how many times? Let's check it out. So for the letter E, I have it as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So we'll say letter E, okay, repeated. Okay? Since it is 4 times, we are going to say what? 4 factorial. Okay? Is there any other letter that repeats? Yeah, letter what? C. I can observe. Letter C repeated. Let's check how many times letter C repeats. So we have it here as 1 and what? 2. Okay, so we are simply going to say what? 2 what? Factorial. Yeah, is there any other letter again? Yeah, letter what? L. So letter L repeated how many times? Okay, let's quickly observe it. We have letter L here and letter L here. So we have it as what? 2 what? Factorial. So I haven't gotten this. Now, how do we, permutate it? So permutation of the word is going to be total what? Number of what? Letters factorial divided by what? The repeated what? Factorial. So one thing you want to know is all these fall under what? The repeated. So all that is the what? Repeated what? Factorial. So if we are going to substitute, the total is this. So we have it as 10 factorial divided by what? Now let's multiply all the what? Repeated down here. So I have what? 4 factorial multiplied by what? 2 factorial and multiplied by what? 2 factorial. Okay? So we have all these ways, okay, to arrange what? The letter excellence. But in case of your exams, your answer, okay, may not be written in this form. So we have to simplify this, into a large number. So let's see what this gives us. Now for this, okay, the permutation of the word is going to be, now since we have 4 factorial as the highest at the denominator, I'm going to reduce this down to this. So it's going to be 10 times what? 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So times 7 times what? 6 times 5 times what? 4 factorial. So 10 factorial can be written in this form. So all these divided by what? 4 factorial times what? Okay, we have 2 factorial, which means 2 times 1. And 2 factorial also means 2 times 1. Now these can cancel this, 1, 1. Okay. So let's see what we have left. Of course, 2 can go into itself 1, 2 into this is what? 4. 2 into this is 1, 2 into 4 again is what? 2. Alright, so we are left with what? Permutation of the word becomes we have 10 times what? 9 times we are left with 2 times 7 times 6 times what? 5. Let's see what this gives us. 10 times 9 is going to give us 90. So this is 90. Yeah. 2, I'm going to use it to multiply what? 5. That will give us what? 10. Now 7 times 6 is going to give us what? 42. Okay, so let's see. 90 times what? 10 is going to give us what? 900. So times what? We have 42. Okay. Now let's multiply this to see what we are going to get as our final answer to this problem. So the question is 900 times what? 42. Okay. So I have it as, now we can write this as, okay, we can still write it as 9 times what? 4200. Okay. We can still write it in this form. So let's see what that gives us. So finally, we have 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. So we have 1. Now 9 times 4 is what? 30 what? 6. So if we add this up is what? 37. So we have 37,800 ways to arrange a word what? Excellent. Such that our E repeats 4 times, our C repeats 2 times, and our L repeats what? 2 times. So we have either these ways or 37,800 ways as a solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.